What if you're not bad at business? What if you're just operating in digital chaos? Here's what most entrepreneurs actually look like. 5 browser tabs open, 3 subscriptions running, ChatGPT in one window, Notion in another, Canva somewhere, and your email buried under all of it. You're busy all day, yet somehow still behind. That's not a you problem. That's a systems problem. That's called digital overwhelm, and it is real. At Make Sense, we believe that everyone, including you, is highly capable, just scattered. So everything that we teach starts with one principle: clarity before action. You can't execute at a high level when your tools are pulling you in 10 different directions. Make sense? That's exactly why we chose Operly as our exclusive show sponsor, and I don't say that lightly. Operly is the first platform that actually brings it all home. Calendar, AI agents, docs, design, email, one dashboard, fully integrated, no more scattered, no more switching, just clarity. And here's what blew my mind about Operly. I run my company with only one human, me, and my team of Operly AI agents that are handling everything else: content, distribution, traffic, delivery, done. And unlike other tools that quietly use your data to train their models and their bots, Operly encrypts everything. So what that means is your ideas and your data stay yours. All of that for just $50 a month, less than what most people spend on only 3 separate subscriptions. Click the link below, tell them that the Dragon sent you, and come get your clarity. Let's get back to the show. Makes sense.